morning, everyone. Welcome to Unit 4 Learner-Centered Pedagogy. I am Joanne Visforsuelo from BS Ed 2A. I'll be tackling the subtopics of the learner-centered instructional strategies, which are learning center, experiments, role-play, and stimulation. Before we proceed to our discussion, let's first read the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to find learning center, experiments, role-play, and stimulation. Next, appreciate the importance of the learner-centered instructional strategy. So much for that. Let's proceed to my topic. Tab first, learning center. Learning center is an explanatory and interactive learner strategies where students rotate in groups to different activities that reinforce and extends classroom learning. Yes, learner centers are the teaching strategy that allows students to engage in independent and self-directed learning activities. They are designed to enhance the learning. Learning centers are student-centered and allow students to work alone or in pairs or in small groups. They can be used to differentiate learning, promote practice and play, and improve instruction. Next, we have experiments. The experimental method is a means of trying to overcome the problem. An experiment is a study of cause and effect. Second, all experiments involve collecting observations or observing actions to try to answer a question or solve a problem. Classroom experiments do this as part of a class to help students learn about the material they are studying. Experiments has a huge impact to the students, which allow them to collect data or observations, and the instructor's role is to act as a facilitator, asking leading questions and drawing attention to interesting results. Classroom experiments can be used to reinforce the information obtained by observing students as they engage in the activity or by talking with them. Next strategy is role play. Role play form of experiential learning, a technique that allows students to explore realistic situations by interacting with other people in a managed way in order to develop experience and trial different strategies in a supported environment. Yes, role play is a form of experiential learning that allows students to explore realistic situations by interacting with other people. Role play can help students develop language, communication skills, social and emotional skills. Effective role-play activities or assignments required and identifying learning objectives, providing opportunities for reflection and feedback. According to research, a learner's capacity for cognitive flexibility or creativity are linked to role-playing. These are the learner's capacity for cognitive flexibility and creativity. First, enrich language and enhance communication skills. Next, develop social and emotional skills. And the third one, enhance physical development. For enrich language and enhance communication skills, it helps students develop their language and communication skills by allowing them to practice using language in a realistic context. Next, the develop social and emotional skills. It helps students develop social and emotional skills such as empathy, teamwork, and conflict resolution. Third is enhance physical development. It helps students to enhance physical development by allowing them to practice physical skills such as hand-eye coordination, and fine motor skills. The last one is stimulation. Stimulation are instructional scenarios where the learner is placed in a world defined by the teacher. They represent a reality within which students interact. So stimulations are instructional scenarios that allow students to experience time and decision-based condition in a way that a lecture cannot allow. They are a form of experiential learning that promotes critical and evaluative thinking, and it helps students to learn both concepts on how to apply it in a real situation. Effective stimulations required preparation, active students' participation, and post-stimulation debrief. Any clarification or question? Okay. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned a lot. Mabuhay. Good morning once again.